Bass Fishing Asia with your host, Chaz. Oh, good fight, good fight.
Good fight and a fat one.
Oh, that is a big one.
That's a lunker.
That's a lunker.
Oh, that's huge, man.
Oh,
Nice big one.
too big.
Caught inside that little shade area.
Yep, yep,
Right in that
yep.
little shade area, right?
Yep, yep.
Got it in there.
That's almost as big as mine.
That's a good. Cut. It's going. Terence machine gun.
That's me.
He's got a little guy. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Another lucky catch from the machine gun. There you go.
Yo, how's that, huh?
Nice one. So how'd you get that one, Terence? Blind, other than blind luck. What did you? What were you trying to do?
And just walked it on the bottom with this little lure. I don't know what this is called.
Okay, walked it on the bottom.
Yep.
Close your drag so that the line doesn't pull out.
Big enough. Nice.
Big enough?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh!
The hell? Yes. The hell, man? Whoa, whoa, whoa! It just pulled straight down on me. Whoa, that's a big one. We're gonna have to change it to this one.
Nice one.
How's that, huh?
Good job.
Oh.
Nice one.
One
Today with a buzzbait bass.
One more before we go. Oh, nice.
On the buzzbait. In the nose.
Very nice.
Started very hot. Now it's cool in the evening. We're just about to head in. Machine Gun Kim got a few fish today. Woohoo! Tough day really, but caught him in the weeds when the sun was out. And now that the sun went down, we're starting to see some topwater action. Anyway, pretty decent day, but caught most of them on the Ned Rig jig bait together with the worm, using the 6-inch dead ringer and the baby brush log. Thanks for joining us.